footage. We're gonna install a ROTO-FAB cold air intake Boogieman, and we got our friend here, Richard, with this really fast Stingray, and he's gonna help us do an honest review on the ROTO-FAB. Richard, what do you think about cold air intakes?
A lot of them don't do anything. Some of them do something. I think on a Camaro it'd probably help.
So
there.
Packaging, what do you think? Package pretty good. I like
Package good, yeah.
It's very
Has all the hardware it looks like.
so packaged well. Very I guess you could say high end of a good brand.
Right.
Right.
I would say so.
Good hose clamp. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're just gonna open up everything and see what we got. This is nice. See, it has a little gill in there. Probably for what? What do you think? Engineer standpoint.
Straight the airflow, probably for the mass airflow, I'm guessing.
So that's that. Let's look at this huge.
Nothing massive.
This thing is massive.
Yes, it is.
Look at that. They waste a lot of plastic.
It's a nice big air filter.
This is what you get with the ROTO-FAB cold air intake. Quality wise, it looks pretty sharp. Looks like very good materials, very well built. Yeah, I like it. See that? Look at it. All the little
Oh, okay,
push
it goes
pins.
right into your
Yeah.
grommets.
See the big
Yeah,
snout too?
you get a lot of air in there.
So, and then the tube itself also is very smooth inside.
And
I don't know if you
large
can see that.
diameter.
Yeah, but see how there's no nothing with turbulence inside of it.
Yeah. Oh, it's very smooth. Yeah.
Yeah, not bad. Where the air filter goes, these are the baskets. Significantly larger for sure.
Deeper.
Yeah,
It's
deeper and smooth.
Yeah.
So less turbulence.
Yeah, it takes the turbulence.
That's the idea
Yeah.
behind it. Look at the inlet. See how big it is?
Yeah, you can definitely see the difference.
This one at the big end, it's about, I want to say 4 inches, right? So 4 inches and yeah, about 2.5 and 4 and a quarter. And this one is about 4.5 and 3. So something. In regards to the tube, it is a little bit larger. I
Yeah.
think. Well,
You have this one.
I don't think so. Look,
You
it's
have
smaller.
Might be.
It is smaller. Look at.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Look at the stock intake tube is larger diameter than the ROTO-FAB.
The ROTO-FAB one,
But this one has the accordion,
Yeah.
so it's gonna have some turbulence. So maybe this one be more velocity, so it compensates.
Well, the velocity will go faster after the larger part. You know.
Yeah, because they do say these intakes. I mean, they say the stock was just good.
Well, I don't see much problem with this really. This part.
So, well, let's find out. Put it on the dyno.
You'll know once you get it dyno. Then again, you have to always consider where do you need the help at the high end or the low end or mid range or what.
Right now, we're gonna swap our mass airflow sensor.
All right.
Well, I got mass airflow cleaner.
Let me make sure it's only one way.
It only goes one way.
Okay, so does this come with its own hardware? Let's see.
I think you have different screws for them right here, possibly.
Oh, so they're just Phillips heads now. Yeah, it's a hot rod town around here.
Yeah, it wouldn't be any problem to beat with your car. It's old school. Take the name off here myself. It's pretty thick. It's kind of heavy. I mean, it's pretty smooth inside. Do have some bumps in here from the casting or something.
So that's that. Okay, so the MAF is in. Let's see here. All right.
Pretty tight, snug.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab a wrench. So only till snug, right? All right, that should do it. That's good enough. Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah.
All right, and then this guy.
Probably the same, so it comes close to bottoming out probably.
So hopefully, I mean, if it doesn't give us the right angle, we can always just turn it with the crescent wrench a little bit. All right, so that's that. And then we don't have a sound tube, so we don't have to worry about that. And there's a ton of reading here. Okay.
Air map sensor.
Okay, so this thing's gonna go like this.
Going through the inside. Now.
There you go.
Okay, so the T goes facing the airbox and towards the top,
Toward
right?
the top, yes.
So you're gonna have this little cut here
Yeah.
at the bottom. This would be next. Yeah. Or invert it, that's right. Put them in here.
Yeah, just don't
Snug
get
'em?
too tight yet, because you're gonna have to move stuff.
I think that. Okay guys, so here's the ROTO-FAB intake installed. This is the one with the sound tube delete option, so it doesn't have the sound tube hole. We got the oil filter. It looks really nice. We can't wait to get it on the dyno and test it out and then take it to the track. Richard, seasoned veteran in the game, what do you think?
I think it fit your 95mm throttle body, so that's a
Yeah.
good thing.
Yeah.
So in case someone else is interested.
Yeah, it definitely fit easier on the larger throttle body. But quality-wise, pretty good, huh?
Pretty decent.
Yeah, it's good.
I think you'll find out on the dyno.
Yeah, but it's not. It wasn't cheap. It was like, I think regular price is like $450. So for a $450 intake, what do you think?
Well, I think you ought to get some horsepower improvement.
So yeah, and there you guys have it. That was a honest review from Richard.
At least some torque.
Yeah, and here's his car, so you guys could believe him. I'm sure you guys seen him at the track or on our videos. One of the fastest C7s that are completely stock out racing. So this car has gone 12. How fast have you gone in the quarter? 12?
No, 1251.
Yeah, 1251 in the quarter.
120.9.
And then the eighth, like 730s.
736.
Yeah.
At about 97.
Yeah, bone stock. So this thing is definitely very impressive.
And 163 60 foots.
Damn. There you guys have it. It's a freak for sure.
Yeah, see it. And I'll
So,
have another coat.
you know
on
what? I've seen this. It's very
See, another coat.
everybody that I see that posts the picture, they get a little crease there. I don't know why.
Yeah.
So stay tuned guys for more. That was our honest review of the ROTO-FAB and our honest install. You guys see us here struggling and
This one here.
messing with the instructions and all that stuff. So here's our stock air box and all that good stuff. So over and out. Have a good one, guys. Let's see, let's fire it up. Close your ears.